Hi friends, in my channel after seeing many videos, many of them asking me how to design a circuit, what software did I use for the design. This is the common comment which I receive in my channel. So in this video I am going to tell you some software and also I gave the link in the description. You can explore more and you can create your own projects. So before getting into video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Let's get into video. So the first simulation software is a Tinkercad. So you can download or you can use this software in the online. So this is the basic or beginner software. And this software is more useful for school or college first year students. In this software, you can able to simulate a basic circuit. You can use several components like resistor, capacitor, ICs. Like this component you can use in this software. Or you can use an Arduino microcontroller and you can program the microcontroller and you can see the output based on the program. So if you're beginners, you can try this software and the software link in the description, check it. So the second simulation tool is an online based simulation tool and it's open source. The software name is Walkme. Here you can use different microcontrollers like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, STM and several microcontrollers. And also here the circuit will be designed. You can able to modify the circuit or you can able to create the circuit. So in this software also there will be many components and there will be many Arduino controllers. So based on your project you can choose a controller and you can design your own project. So the software link in the description, check it and explore more on that. The third simulation software is Proteus. This software is more perfect compared to previous simulation tool. I also use this software for my simulation project. And this software is used by small scale industries and you can able to do industrial project in this software. In this software you can use many components, many microcontrollers like PIC, Arduino, Raspberry Pi and so on. And you can do a complex project in this software. If you need any component, you can add the component by installing the library. So it's one of the big software. The software link in the description. Explore more and do your own project by this software. And the fourth simulation software is ECDA. In this software, you can able to simulate a small circuit and you can able to design your PCB in this software. And this software is open source. I also used this software and I also made a tutorial video in this software. You can explore more and you can create your own project and you can convert it into a PCB by this software. The last simulation tool is freezing. In this tool, you can able to design your circuit and you can able to simulate your circuit. If you're doing any documentation or presentation for your review or any project expo, you can able to import the circuit diagram directly from this freezing software. So the software link in the description, explore more and try to build your own project by this 5 simulation tools. These are the 5 softwares which I used during my project, and also there are some other softwares like KiCad, Multisim, PSpice and so on. So if you need a tutorial video, comment in the comment box. I will make a tutorial video on this software. So I already uploaded the tutorial video of ECDA software in my channel. Link in the description. Check it and explore more and create your own project by that software. If this video is useful, like the video and subscribe the channel for more tech information. Also share this video to your friends. Okay guys, see you soon in the next video of creating another project. Tata.